Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to unlink the alert volume from the system sounds on your iPhone running iOS 27 or later. iOS 27 gives you even more control over how your iPhone sounds by allowing you to unlink the alert volume from system sounds. Previously, notification alerts and system sounds such as keyboard clicks, lock sounds, and other interface effects often shared the same volume settings. This made it difficult to keep important alerts loud while reducing everyday system noises or vice versa. With this new feature, you can now customize each volume independently for a more personalized audio experience. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and select sounds and haptics. Then we have to head over to Alerts and System Sound section and disable the toggle for Match Ringtone Volume. And then you can choose to perfectly adjust the slider according to your needs. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily separate the alert volume from the system sounds in iOS 27 or later. Once you have fine-tuned this setting, you'll have much finer control over your iPhone's audio, allowing you to adjust notification alerts and system sound effects independently to suit different environments and user scenarios. After configuring the separate volume alerts, you can enjoy a quieter, less distracting experience while ensuring important alerts remain loud enough to grab your attention whenever they arrive. Now that you have unlocked this pretty useful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.